Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about a few varieties of rice that might help to answer your questions and clarify what they are when you're at the grocery store, because there are so many types of rice out there. Today we're talking about black rice, also called forbidden rice, jasmine rice, and parboiled rice. Forbidden rice or black rice, it has a nutty, mild flavor and a high nutritional value, so it's very good for you. It's used a lot in Asian cuisines. It is slightly sticky when it's cooked, and it blends very well with mushrooms and cilantro. That sounds good right there. It's sometimes mixed with brown rice when it's cooked to make a sweet coconut rice pudding. That sounds really good. There are different types of black rice on the market. Some are long grain, some are medium grain, some are short grain rices out there, and each of those will have a different texture to them when they're cooked, okay? Jasmine rice is a long grain rice, and it does have a jasmine type of aroma to it while it's being cooked, and it also has a mild jasmine flavor that it can add to dishes that it's used in. It's often used in Asian cooking, and especially including curries and stir fries. It has a moist, soft texture when it cooks, and it really soaks up spices and flavorings very well. Jasmine rice pairs well with dried fruit, Jamaican jerk, and spicy curries. Parboiled rice is not actually pre-cooked rice at all. It's not quite what it sounds like. It's actually subjected to a steam process that blends the starches in there and forces some of the nutrients from the bran and the germ to go into the starchy layer of the rice, the endosperm part of the rice. So when those bran and germ layers are removed, some of the nutrients are retained in the endosperm, so that makes it a little more healthy than white rice, okay? It's less sticky than white rice when it's cooked, and it's often used in thick curries and other dishes that are popular in India. Well, I do hope this helps to answer some of your questions about the different types of rice that are out there. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.